Come on, everyone. Today's challenge is going to be really fun because I've placed a mobile phone and some cool gadgets inside these small boxes. Whatever gadget is in your luck, that gadget will be yours.
So first, I'm going to open this box. Oh no, friends, it has a foot-shaped phone case in it, and it looks really terrible.
All right, now it's my turn to open this box. Wow, this one looks big. Let me open it. Oh no, it's a broom-shaped phone case.
All right, girl, you got what was meant for you. Now, whose turn is next? Come on, hurry
All
up.
right, I'm opening this box too. Wow, it has a glasses-shaped phone case in it. It actually looks pretty nice, so I'm keeping
Oh,
it.
move aside, everyone. Now it's my turn. All right, friends, I'm opening this box. Oh no, friends, it's a poop-shaped phone case. I guess I'll give it to this girl.
Oh no, this boy gave me a poop-shaped phone case. What am I supposed to do now? Boy, I'm not letting you get away with this today.
Oh no, friends, now it's my turn. Oh no, friends, there's a lizard in this box. I'm not taking this phone case.
Hey, crazy girl, you have to take this lizard-shaped phone case or I won't let you go today. Hey, why are you running away?